Hey, hey, it's Berta J. Back in my kitchen with me today. We're gonna make cheese sauce. An easy cheese sauce. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take a piece of wax paper, and onto the wax paper, you're gonna place 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. That'll give it its cheesy taste. And they're gonna do 3 tablespoons of tapioca flour. That's your thickener. Then you're gonna do 3/4 of a teaspoon of parsley flakes and 10 turns of your peppermill. Now that's going to make it a little spicy. If that's too much for you and you know you don't like spice, do about 1 or 2 turns of your peppermill. Then you're going to mix it together with that wax paper. And as you lift it and turn it back and forth, it's going to mix very well. Then once you're done with that, you're going to set it to the side. Into your blender, you're going to need a blender. You're going to put 1½ cups of hot water. To that, you're going to add 1/2 cup of cashews. They don't need to be soaked. Now, I use cashew pieces, just as fine as using cashews, whole cashews, if that's what you have. So put those 2 in the blender, along with 1½ tablespoons of miso, white miso. You're going to blend your mixture just for a few seconds, maybe 10-15 seconds, just to get everything all mixed up. And then you're going to gently open the top of your blender, and you're going to use the wax paper as a shovel. You're going to put all the set aside dry ingredients that you had mixed up before. Slow the blender down so it just splatters all over the place. So slow it down, and you're going to put it into your blender. And then turn the blender up a little bit higher and let it mix for about another minute until everything gets nice and smooth. And you'll see it through the container, whether or not it's gotten smooth and it's not lumpy anymore. After you've done that, you're going to have a pan. I usually use a saucepan on medium heat. Take the mixture that you've just made in your blender, pour it into that pan. And then you're going to use a whisk and you're going to stir. This is going to thicken really fast. And as you stir, it's going to happen within seconds. It's going to turn into a nice thick cheese sauce. And it's very delicious. And when you're done, this is what you'll have. I have made some pasta along with a little salad also. And I'll show you how thick it is. See that? I'll put it over the pasta. Just another little drop or 2 of parsley flakes to give it some color. And there you have it. Your cheese sauce on pasta. Now, I use this cheese sauce. Today I've shown it to you on pasta, but honestly, I use this cheese sauce all the time. You can use it over steamed broccoli if you want. I put it over burgers, black bean burgers and other burgers I make. Put it on a bun. Sometimes just put it on the plate, put a little bit of cheese sauce on it. If I do it on a bun, I would put a tomato, maybe some lettuce. Use the cheese sauce with it. I have also put it on vegetables, steamed vegetables other than broccoli, different vegetables that I have, and I use it with a little cheese sauce and then throw it on brown rice. I also put it on quinoa. It is just very versatile. I haven't ever tried it on a sandwich, but I don't know, that might work too. But it's really good. Oh, the other thing is, if you wanted to, you can dip raw vegetables into it. It's warm, but I think that would taste good as well. Like baby carrots and maybe broccoli and celery and that kind of thing. Let it cool a little bit, and then you could use it as a dip. It's a cheese sauce. Use it however you would do a cheese sauce. However you would use a cheese sauce, use this that way. It's very simple and it's very easy, and I'd like for you to try it. And that's the end of the recipe. So I hope you will try it. I hope you'll enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to also click on that the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you'll be able to get it. And I'm trying to think of anything else and if you have any questions or if you have any comments that you would like to make, please put them below. And I'll make sure that I put the ingredients list below so that you'll know how to make it. But this is an easy cheese sauce, and I think you'll find it very versatile. So until next time, I'm going to say to you, bye for now.